Miles apart, hearts together, embracing the journey. Remember that first time you said goodbye at the airport? Tears, hugs, promises whispered against the backdrop of rumbling planes, long-distance relationships. They test you, stretch you, make you yearn. But within that longing lies a profound truth. True love doesn't diminish with distance, it deepens. Think of bamboo, it bends with the wind but never breaks. Your love story, though miles apart, can be that resilient bamboo. It's about adaptation, communication, and a shared vision of a future together.
The Distance Dilemma, unveiling common challenges. Let's be real. Distance throws curveballs, making even the simplest things feel complicated. Time differences feel like mischievous gremlins, stealing precious moments and making it hard to find common ground. Misunderstandings. They fester in the space between unanswered texts, growing into bigger issues if not addressed. And that ache in your heart, it's the longing for a simple touch, a shared laugh, the comfort of their presence. It's the small things that matter the most. Jealousy might rear its ugly head, whispering doubts about fidelity or commitment, making trust a constant battle. You might grapple with feelings of isolation, like you're living parallel lives instead of one shared journey. The loneliness can be overwhelming, but remember, these challenges are not insurmountable. They can be overcome with effort and understanding. They are the hurdles we clear to prove love's endurance. Each challenge faced and overcome strengthens the bond, making the relationship more resilient.
Bridging the gap, practical tips for success. Communication is your lifeline. Schedule regular video calls. Seeing their face, hearing their voice. It bridges the physical gap. Don't just talk about your day. Share your dreams, your fears, your silly observations. Plan virtual dates, movie nights, online games, cooking the same meal together. These shared experiences weave your lives together, despite the miles. Remember those little gestures. Send surprise texts, voice notes filled with laughter, handwritten letters that whisper of your love.
Keeping the spark alive. Nurturing intimacy. Physical intimacy might feel like a distant dream, but emotional intimacy, that's your superpower. Be present during your calls, truly listen, validate each other's feelings. Celebrate milestones, big or small, as a testament to your commitment. Explore creative ways to feel connected. Share playlists that echo your mood. Send photos that capture your day, or leave voice messages just to say, "I love you" before bed. Remember, intimacy thrives on vulnerability and the courage to stay emotionally connected, no matter the distance.
Love knows no bounds, a testament to long-distance love. I've seen countless couples weather the storms of distance and emerge stronger, their love deepened by the experience. They navigate the challenges with grace, finding creative ways to stay connected despite the miles that separate them. Their secret, unwavering trust, relentless communication, and a shared vision of a future entwined. They cherish every moment, whether it's a simple text message or a long video call, knowing that each interaction brings them closer. Long-distance relationships are not for the faint of heart. They require a level of commitment and dedication that goes beyond the ordinary. They demand effort, patience, and a deep reservoir of faith. Every letter, every phone call, every video chat is a testament to their enduring love. But the rewards, oh, they are immeasurable. The joy of reuniting after months apart, the knowledge that your love conquered distance, and the realization that your bond is unbreakable. The unshakable bond forged in the fires of longing. That is the magic of long-distance love. It is a journey of the heart, a testament to the power of love that knows no bounds.
Finding strength in the distance, a beacon of hope. In the vast expanse that separates you, there lies a unique opportunity to discover the depth of your love. Distance might test your love, but it can also be a crucible that strengthens it. Every challenge faced together, though miles apart, forges a bond that is unbreakable. It teaches you the true meaning of patience, the power of unwavering commitment, and the importance of cherishing every stolen moment together. Each reunion becomes a celebration, a testament to your resilience and dedication. So, to all of you navigating the intricate dance of long-distance love, know this: you are not alone. Countless others share your journey, finding strength in the same hope and love. Your love is a testament to the enduring power of the human heart. It is a beacon that shines brightly, guiding you through the darkest nights and the longest days. Embrace the journey, nurture your connection, and never lose sight of the love that binds you across the miles and beyond. Let your love story be an inspiration, a beacon of hope for others who walk the same path.